welcome to TJ Idea for Innovation. Today we are with a new project called Smart Energy Meter with postpaid and prepaid along with meter theft detection and the load theft detection. Initially we'll start from the postpaid system, how the system will work. So has a dual option of postpaid and prepaid. So currently the default mode, the system will run in the postpaid mode. So you can see this. In order to change the postpaid and prepaid mode, so we have a security lock system at the customer end, and this is currently in the postpaid mode. So you can see an LED which is glowing green. So next is this is a current balance running out for the current units. So the current units is calculated based on the units of pulses from the meter. So that is sent to the controller and it is calculated. We have some calculations in this. So initially we'll see how the postpaid system will work, and this system is a smart energy meter, so that is integrated with completely to the IoT application. So this IoT application, we are using a platform, a third party provider, so that is called Blink server. So using this we are monitoring the current units and rupees. This will be the complete automation will be there in the substation concerned person, so he can monitor the usage of the user. So next is if the system is currently in the postpaid, so if he completely pays the bill, so the concerned person who is authorized, he can clear his account. So to clear the bill, so we can click here. So it will completely reset the account and it will start this. So the complete unit application will be have an option of he can have the authorized person will have the in order to load control. If he is thefting the power, he can control the load, and anytime he can cut off the power. Those controls are there. So this is completely a postpaid system, how it works. So the system is in default postpaid mode. So in order to change that in the postpaid to prepaid, we have a one security system. We will see that. See, this is the system running in the postpaid currently. So we need to change this into a prepaid mode. So we will like recharge, and if the recharge is empty, the power has to turn off. So that is a condition. So now we will go for a password OTP conditions here. So if I click the request of OTP, see the OTP is sent to the concerned authorized person. There is a person who is in the substation. The current OTP is 8216. So start typing on that. 8216. Okay. So next is we'll confirm this OTP so that the lock will open and we can convert this system to prepaid. Yeah, the lock is open now. Okay, the default lock will open and it will close and open for the 3 seconds. Okay, now the switch is there in order to convert the system to prepaid. Before that, so as the user has consumed that power, so he has to pay the bill and the system has to clear the account. So the system is resetted, account is resetted. So the person account is clear now. So now we can have the prepaid mode. So click on this switch. So once I click on this switch, as the account is less, so it is less than 5 rupees we have set it. So it is less than that one amount. So the power is turned off in the prepaid mode. So we will recharge, we'll close this system and we'll start recharge and we'll see how it will work. See, it shows like this, the balance is low. So as we have converted the system, so now we will recharge this system now. So the account is recharged. Okay, so now we can turn on the system now. So the user can start using the system. The system currently running in the prepaid mode. So we have recharged him around 63 rupees. For that unit consumption, he can use up to 17 units. So we have set around 3.7, that is a value of 1 unit. Yeah, coming back, you can see that the current units in the system is about balance is 15 rupees with 20 paisa. So next is unit is 4.11 remaining. So as it reduces less than 15, so the account will send a notification that your account is less than that, so you need to recharge like that. So we'll check with that. Yeah, less balance, recharge before the power cut. So this message will be sent to the customer. So once, sorry, like it will be sent to the authorized person, that is who is in substation. So he can intimate the customer. So as it reduces less than 5, so the power will turn off this account. As it is less than 5, the account will be turned off, the prepaid account will be turned off, there will be no more power. Yeah, you can see it's less than 4 rupees is less than 5, so that the account is not recharged, and it automatically turn off the whole power supply for the customer. So even the system is in turn on condition, it will be turned off, load will be turned off. Okay, so next is again the recharge has to be done, then it will proceed with that. Okay, it is recharged. So you can see that the remaining of balance what was there, it was added to this person account, and he can use the a normal of power usages. So this is about the prepaid account, handling the prepaid account. So we will see the next is how the load theft and the meter theft is notified. So for that we have a notification activator, so we need to activate that. So once this is activated, the system is will get the any changes in the load, that is the customer is using more than the consumption of load or what is commercial part. So the automatic notification will be generated to the authorized person. So we'll see that. Yeah, so next is the detection of load theft. So here we have a notifier activation, so we'll activate that. So in this we'll see how the load theft is detected. So we'll turn on the customer's account first. So this is turned on, just it's as a load is we are turned on the two loads here, so second load also. So this creates a second load as it is there, so it's creating a notification for the person account that the person is account is using with the second load, that is the load theft is detected. So next is we'll turn off his load cut. So as I turned off the load, so the customer will not get any power, so he need to again go for the authorized person, and he has to consult them for the power what he has done for the load theft. And next is similarly a meter thefting. So going to meter theft, so we have used the ultrasonic sensor. If the person try to open the meter and theft the lines, so for example if I open this, so that will be detecting like meter theft is detected. So this system entirely works on the like this. So if the meter theft is detected, so again he can have the option of turn off the load system to his account. So this is a system entirely works with the postpaid and prepaid activation, along with that load theft and meter theft detections. So this is how it will be working. So you can check. So for example normal load will be like this. So when I turn on, it will take the normal current rise. So this is how it will be there. When a continuous notification will come out when the person uses the maximum load, which is more than his consumption of load. That is, load theft is detecting. Second load, if I turned on second load, so it will start creating a notification to the authorized person, that is who is in substation, that the system has been thefted. So continuous notifications will come. So then he can have the option of turn offing his account power cut. So the system will hold turned off, and this system is entirely works on the IoT platform.